the remover. This is for using the remove the every kind of scratch. Guys, here. Last 4 mm dust carbon have been removed from this coating. This coating is also used for car lamination glasses.
Okay.
Only in 3 months. The coating is same product for the board. Cannot be dry in sunshine.
Okay.
That was really our 1800, but our offer is just only 800 today.
All is green.
800 rupees. Because yesterday our Rizal had will come here and he will give the 400 rupees, only 800 discount. All glasses cleaning, practice cleaning. This is a wonderful product.
Yeah, I know. It's nice. But Auntie, I did not take any money with me. Coming and just take the money of the CN.
How much money left in the pocket?
Just 100. 100. I did not take money to come here. I did not know this thing was
You can
here.
use your mobile phone, WhatsApp, Paytm.
In my Paytm, no money. I just use the Paytm.